QUIXX, repair it yourself. Faded tires spoil the looks of your car. This happens often by using rim cleaners. Tune up the looks of your ride easily and at a low cost by using QUIXX Black Tyre Colour. And here we go. Thoroughly tape the rim. Use the gloves included. Then shake the paint well for 30 seconds. Now put some paint on the sponge included. Apply the paint to the outer area of the tire. Remove the tape. Let the paint cure. Perfect! Apply a second time if necessary. Do you see the difference? Professional results on the cheap and the unbeatable feeling of having done it yourself. With the professional do-it-yourself solutions by QUIXX. We help you with other repairs too. Just see for yourself. QUIXX, repair it yourself.